How's it going, guys? Today we have an FN SCAR 20S. This one in particular is in 7.62 by 51. Has a 1 in 10 twist. It's in great condition. This rifle will come with 4 magazines. There's actually 5 magazines. 4 of them are 20 rounders, and then 1 of them is a 10 rounder. So you're getting a lot of bang for your buck in that purchase, pun intended. Comes with a hard case as well. It's one of those Boyt hard cases. They're the 4 latchers. They're really nice. I think it comes with a sling as well. Comes with that foregrip too. Might want to slide that back a little bit. Like I said, awesome condition. Doesn't look like it's been shot very much, so I'll definitely enjoy shooting this guy. Again, FN SCAR 20S.